Hey my amazing foodies, my name is Kanak and you're tuned into Britannia Dessert Carnival, where today I'll be showing you one of the easiest peda with just 4 ingredients. And this is the simplest peda you can prepare at home with limited time and ingredients. So just stick around and watch the recipe. So for this, here I've got some Khoya. I'm going to add this to the pan first. And now I'm going to switch on the flame now or low to medium heat. So I'm going to cook this for a while, say about for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes slightly loose. So after cooking it for 2 minutes, you can see it has become slightly loose and also has left the oil from the sides. So next to this, I'm going to add the pineapple crush for flavoring. So today I'm using this pineapple crush, but if you want to make plain pedas, you can simply use some cardamom or you can also use some strawberry crush for this. Mix that as well along with the Khoya. So the Khoya and the pineapple crush is nicely combined. Next to this, I'm going to add in some milk powder. So this will give that rich and creamy texture to the Khoya. Mix that as well along with the mixture. And after this, I'm going to add some powdered sugar. So sugar you can add more or less as per your taste. I like my pedas to be a little more sweeter, so I'm adding some more powdered sugar. And mix everything really well. So now all the 4 ingredients are perfectly combined and you can see the dough has become slightly lumpy. It has become dough-like consistency and it has also left the sides of the pan. So that's it guys, we don't have to overcook this and make it dry and chewy. Just switch off the flame and transfer it onto a bowl. And let this mixture cool down slightly until you are able to handle it. So this mixture has slightly cooled and now we are going to form small roundels out of it. So I am going to take a small portion in my hand, say around a tablespoonful, and then roll it between your palms. So just roll it evenly to make the top smooth and clean, just like this. You can see it's free from any kind of cracks. I'm going to place it over here. I'm going to keep this aside and you can see my entire batch is ready. I'm going to simply garnish with some pistachios on top. You can see how beautiful it's looking. The green color complementing with the lemon yellow color. And here you go guys, your beautiful looking pineapple pedas are ready and they look so tempting. I just can't to have one. So I'm definitely going to taste one and tell you how is it. Guys, it's so rich and fudgy in texture with that flavor of pineapple crush which we have used here. And also the crunch of the nuts is also coming in every bite. So all those who don't have much time during this festive season, do try this recipe and let me know your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe for more such amazingly easy festivities from Britannia Dessert Carnival. I'll see you soon in my another video. Bye-bye.